Hello foodies, today I'll show you a quick and easy stir-fry recipe using duck plum sausages and green medley vegetables. This is a very nice midweek meal that's flavorful and can be had with rice, noodles, pasta or even bread. For this recipe, I'll be using some duck and plum cocktail sausages. You can use any cocktail sausage for this recipe if you can't find duck sausages. Let's open it up. I'll also need some handmade dry cured smoked bacon, some defrosted green medley vegetables, 2 sliced shallots and green onions, 4 chopped garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon chili flakes and 1 teaspoon Szechuan pepper powder, some sesame oil, dark soya sauce and Worcestershire sauce. I've chopped up 2 slices of the smoked bacon. Add some oil to a pot and fry the duck sausages for 5 minutes, turning them around from time to time, and then take them out. In the same pot, add the chopped smoked back bacon and fry them for a minute. Then add the shallots, spring onions as well as the garlic into the pot and fry for 2 minutes. Then add the green vegetables and stir fry on high heat for 2 minutes. Then add salt according to your taste, Szechuan pepper powder and the chili flakes and stir them in. Add 1 tablespoon of dark soya sauce and mix it in. Then add 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce and stir it in. Then add the duck plum sausages into the pot and give the pot a good stir, and then cover and cook for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, everything should be nicely cooked. Add a dash of sesame oil and mix it in. Sprinkle a teaspoon of sugar and give the pot a stir, and our duck sausage stir fry is ready. Let's plate it up for an easy, flavorful dinner. Duck sausage stir fry is very easy to make. The only difficult thing is finding the duck sausages. So feel free to substitute them with other cocktail sausages. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Enjoy!